Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. In this video, we'll start the Core Java interview question series. First, we'll start with what is Java. So Java is a high-level general purpose programming language that is designed to be platform independent, meaning it can run on different operating systems without the need for recompilation. It was developed by Sun Microsystems, now owned by Oracle Corporation and released in 1995. Java is known for its write once, run anywhere principle, which allows developers to write code once and run it on any device or platform that has a Java virtual machine installed. So JVM is responsible for executing the Java bytecode, which is a compiled form of Java source code. Here are some of the key features of the Java object oriented. So Java is an object oriented programming language, which means it follows the principles of encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. It provides mechanism for creating classes, objects, and interfaces to structure code and promote code reuse. Platform independence. Java programs are compiled into bytecode, which can be executed by any JVM. So this allows Java applications to run on various platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and others without needing modifications to the code. So next one is memory management. So this is one of the features of Java. It has automatic memory management through a process called garbage collection. Developers do not have to manually allocate and deallocate memory as the JVM takes care of memory management, making Java programs less prone to memory leaks and other memory related errors.